Good evening. Back with you once again here. I'm going to show you some quick floor plans I drew. So that's the first one here I drew over here. The dining table and two living room couches. Okay, you got a couch there and then television set and table. And a washroom. Then you got the kitchen. You see here the refrigerator, the sink, and the stove. This is the first floor plan I drew. Now, the second one I'm going to show you is an example of a botched up floor plan. And I didn't know what to do here, what to do, and whether to add more features or leave it as it is. But you see here, I didn't complete this sheeting of the wall here on this washroom. Then I drew a room there with a desk, and the washroom there, and a dining table and a kitchen, fridge. That's the second floor plan I was showing you. Totally different from the first one. And this last one I'm going to show you right here. See here, the dining table, living room, and then washroom, kitchen, and the sink and the stove. So those are my drawings for today. Show you more in a future video.